where it actually goes.
So we're in Fresno, California, and we've got existing shut-off valve here. It looks like 1.25 inch, yeah, 1.25 inch Fletcher coat coming out of the ground to a gate valve up to a T where they put in another gate valve. This is going to go to irrigation, so 1.25 inch as well. I'd imagine it's picking up these items here. We've got 5 stations out front. I didn't go around the back, see what they've got out there. They did add some filtration, which is in the way of PG&E. They're not happy about this, so what they did is they took the hard water, they came over, they stubbed out a hose bib, which is fine, but on this side over here, not only do they have a hose bib, but they've dropped down into soil. So they're providing hard water to something else. Where it goes, we don't know, but we can't kill it, because if we do and then something doesn't work, then we have to come back and get it back online. So this has to stay minimum, and this is not in the way of PG&E. Additionally, the hard water line comes across here and provides water to the filtration. Now, if all the filtration is going away, the softening equipment, the sediment filter, all going away, these lines are going away. Unfortunately, as you can see here, hard water also drops down, and they make a transition down there to PVC, so that PVC line is doing the same thing. It's going somewhere, and that's hard water. So minimum what needs to happen, the iron pipe up top where the old hose bib is plugged and where the valve's at, where that T's at down there, that needs to get tied back together. Additionally, the hose bib that's sticking through the brick out to the front, the full 1 inch line, that needs to stay online. And this PVC over here needs to stay online, which means through here, we got to get a trench in here, minimum, I'd say 12 inches deep, and go ahead and get tied back into PVC, get tied back into the copper over there. Got a old bush or tree that was sitting right here. That's probably going to have to come out because digging is going to be problematic over here. But anyway, so 1 inch line needs to stay. 1 inch copper over there going through the brick needs to stay. Hard water gets tied back in. Everything else needs to come out of the way because PG&E is not going to step over this or work in front of this while they're working on their box right there. So anyways, we'll crunch some numbers, figure out what we can do, and get you a price back today. Outside of that, this service call is done.